The stars don't blink when I cry at night. The moon just stares like it knows my fight. A broken clock still whispers time, but it can't rewind. No, it can't rewind. We were fated to be like the sea and the shore, but the tide pulled away, left me wanting more. Fated to be like the sky and the rain, but the clouds rolled apart, left me drowning in pain. The shadow lingers on my empty wall, a ghost that dances when the night birds call. Every step I take feels out of line, like a song offbeat, like a faded sign. I reach for the sun, but it burns my skin. I reach for your heart, but you won't let me in. We were fated to be like the sea and the shore, but the tide pulled away, left me wanting more. Fated to be like the sky and the rain, but the clouds rolled apart, left me drowned